Okay, we got the Guillows P-51 with the retracts out again. It's got a little chattery retract servo, but this model got creamed like a year ago, or 2 years ago. It was bad. It went in, I got video of it, but it was like 2 blocks away, so you really couldn't see what happened, but it went in hard. It blew the nose off it. Still bearing the destruction in the wings. Yeah, it really got creamed. So I brought it out and maidened it, but the battery was dead in the Mobius, so I didn't get that flight. So this is like the remaiden of the maiden. So we're gonna take it up, see if the retracts work better. They were kind of hanging up, but we'll see. But it's a nice day for flying, and got to get some flying videos for you guys. I wanted to trim the rudder a bit. There we go. Yeah, the thing is with this has got a central servo, so that servo runs both the ailerons. There's a rod that goes out to each aileron, so they really don't like to return properly. I guess that's kind of hard to show it, but you'll see it when it flies. It likes to wander right after a right turn, wander a little left after a left turn, but it still flies pretty good. So we're ready, let's go. Yeah, even after a really hard crash, I'm pretty happy with the way it flies yet. I'm gonna go after the retracts up in a loop. Do another loop. Now they're struggling to go up yet. Try roll. Couple rolls. Yep. No, they're still kind of hanging down a little bit, so I'll have to work on those. But it still flies pretty good. Yeah, the one on the right's hanging down. Yeah, this was one of my favorite builds of all the Guillows conversions. It was the laser cut model, so it all went together so nice. We'll just fly with gear down. Lot of flights, dozens of flights on this model before I creamed it. It's running an old G-force receiver from like, gosh, it was like 8 years ago I think I built this. So yeah, it's a really old receiver. I think it got interference or something, and yeah, I lost the model. It went down like 2 blocks away. Just being silly, flying way far away with it, and yeah, I got creamed. It was just a pile of parts laying in the road. I might have a picture of that. I'll see if I can find that and put it in the video description or something. Otherwise, just such a lovely model. Even with its goofy ailerons now, you can see it kind of wandering a little bit, but it's not terrible. There's a little to the right, a little to the left. It just doesn't want to trim out really good, but considering it was smeared, that's all right. I always like loops with this thing. It does really nice loops. We'll get it down here lower for a lower flyby. I gotta watch that sun though. Yeah, what a long winter and crummy flying weather. It just was no fun. There we go. Beauty-muss. Like I said, I always like this model. It's just, it's always flown so nice. Yeah, this was a nice day. Earlier was even better, but like I said, the batteries went dead in the Mobius, so I had to cruise home and do some things, and I charged it up. So Got ya. A really big loop here. No, I got screwed up in it. Oh well. Do another one. Yeah, what a fun model. I'll try a touch and go. Or landing and takeoff or something. Little breeze. There we go. Yeah, this is the Forestburg Field, North Mankato, Minnesota. Used to be 10 years ago. There was bleachers and a lot of people around, but that was kind of the heyday of model flying planes. But now it's yeah, usually not too many people here. Let's go up one more time. Get in the wind, what there is of it. I hit them retracts again. See if they go up this time. Looks like they went. Well, the right one just popped back down. I'll have to work on them some more. Like I said, everything was creamed. It busted the whole center of the wing out and just made a mess of things. So I'll have to readjust on the retracts and get them working properly. It flies better with them up. Uh-oh, Mom says it's time to come in. Drop my retracts. At least they come down good. That's what really counts. Offed it in again. Yay.
10, 9,
what a fun model.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Mom says that's time to come in now. Well, there it is. And I suppose we'll check the retracts now and they'll work perfect on the ground. I know they will because I checked them before I flew it. Yeah, of course. See? Perfect. Well, almost. Yeah, a little more adjustment on that and those will be fine. There you are. Nice little flying video. One of my favorite guillows conversions. The laser cut P-51. Alright, thanks for watching.